Right now, in your pocket, sits a piece of technology so advanced it would have looked like dark magic just 30 years ago. You didn't swipe. You didn't enter a code. You didn't even touch the machine. Yet, in less than half a second, a global financial network just authorized a transaction that spanned thousands of miles. We do it every day. We tap and walk away. But have you ever stopped to ask, what is actually happening in that invisible space between your card and the reader? Because what's happening isn't just a convenience. It is a high-stakes, invisible negotiation involving electromagnetism, cryptographic fortresses, and a ghost identity that disappears the moment the transaction is over. If this system failed for even 1 second, the global economy would collapse. But what scientists discovered about the invisible air changed everything. Look at your card. There is no battery, no power source, no on switch. It's just a piece of plastic. So, how does it talk back? This is the first twist. Your card is a thief. Inside that plastic card is a tiny, hidden circle made of copper wire. It's like a secret antenna waiting to wake up when you hold your card near the store's machine. The machine sends out invisible energy waves into the air. These waves reach out and grab the wire inside your card, even though there are no batteries in your card. The machine pumps a tiny bit of power through the air. This is called induction. This tiny bit of power wakes up your card so it can tell the machine, "Okay, pay for these cookies." In that tiny fraction of a second, your card steals enough energy to wake up its brain, the microchip. But here is where it gets terrifying. If the card can wake up just by being near a reader, what's stopping someone from stealing your money through your jeans? This brings us to the second revelation. The near. In near-field communication, NFC isn't just a technical limitation. It is a biological shield. NFC only works within a range of about 4 centimeters. Any further and the signal vanishes into the noise of the universe. But even if a thief got close enough, they would find themselves staring at a locked door with no key. When the card wakes up, it doesn't just shout your name and credit card number. That would be suicide. Instead, it enters a digital handshake. The reader says, "I am a bank terminal." The card responds, "Prove it." They exchange encrypted certificates in milliseconds. But what no one expected was how the card hides your identity, by lying to the machine. Here is the dilemma. If the card sends your real 16-digit number through the air, anyone with a powerful enough antenna could sniff it. Your life savings, your identity, gone in a single tap. For years, this was the wall engineers couldn't climb. How do you pay for something without ever actually revealing your account details? The solution they found isn't just clever. It's a masterclass in deception. This is the climax of the technology. It's called tokenization. When you tap, your card doesn't send your credit card number. It sends a token, a one-time use, random string of numbers. Think of it like this. If you wanted to enter a secret club, you wouldn't give the bouncer your social security number. You'd give him a ticket that expires in 10 seconds. Even if a hacker intercepts that token, it is worthless. By the time they try to use it, the ghost has already vanished. Your real number stays locked inside the chips. Secure element, a physical fortress on the silicon that is almost impossible to hack. Every time you buy a coffee, you are witnessing a miracle of physics and mathematics. You are drawing power from the air, conducting a high-speed cryptographic interrogation, and generating a unique digital identity all in less time than it takes to blink. We live in a world where the invisible has become our greatest security. The next time you tap your card, remember, you aren't just paying for a meal. You are commanding a symphony of invisible waves and silent whispers that keep the modern world turning. The magic isn't in the card. It's in the air between us. If you never realized your pocket was full of alien-level physics, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm this story deserves to be heard. Subscribe, and let's uncover the next invisible force running your life. Because the more you look, the more magic you find.